What's up, y'all? You hear that? So, some of that noise is crunching of food from a dog. Crickets. You could definitely probably hear crickets. They're probably the loudest thing right now. Oh, there's another dog in the distance. And I don't know if you can hear it, but in the very background, the sound of cars on a freeway, maybe trains. What I always wondered, what is that noise? It's weird. It's just constantly going. I think it's traffic noise. The fact that the 210 freeway is like a valley, like it's in a valley, and then when you come off the freeway, you gotta go off. So when you get on the freeway, you're going down into a ditch. A big old fucking ditch. What a bitch. But, seriously. Oh, see, now it's quiet down. Must be a gap in the traffic. But dude, I swear, it sounds like a fucking spaceship taking off in distance. Like, just constantly going. Other than that fucking dog, though. And you, little doggy. Look at yourself. Just look at yourself. You must look at your past. Oh, you see your... Oh, yeah, alright. That's enough. It's pretty late being out here, but that's a little... one of Jack's little quickies. Be sure to listen to my podcast, The Cache. CACHE. You can find it on Spotify, Google Podcasts, Radio Public, Pocket Cast, Breaker. There's one more. I forgot the last one. Anyways. If you want to be a guest on my show, let me know. You can email me too. Jak Fierro at gmail.com. Yeah, that's it.